In this video, we are going to talk about solenoid and the magnetic field effect of magnetic field produced when the current is flowing through solenoid. Okay, so what is mean by solenoid? First of all, you should know solenoid होता क्या है. So solenoid is nothing but a helical coil. Okay, in which the insulated copper wire is to be wounded, and the structure so form is called solenoid. That means you can think of this type of structure, helical coil, right, like a spring like structure, and these two end of the insulated copper wire, it is to be connected with a battery. Then this is nothing but called solenoid. So I think hopefully you people clear the idea about. So this is suppose and some insulating material, and on this insulating copper wire is to be wound closely. Okay, and if the turns are very close to each other, then if you take out the coil, then this helical coil is nothing but form a device which is called solenoid. So what is the importance of solenoid? We will discuss later on in the topic. But here, when the solenoid is connected, two end of solenoid, this two end of wire is connected with a battery, like positive terminal, negative terminal. So current will flow in this manner. Okay. So let's say current I is flowing when the plug is placed in the key. Then current flowing. Now when you think about the current flowing, the magnetic field is produced around the solenoid. How can you understand that the magnet is? So if you think about a needle, yeah, some sort of any magnetic material is placed close to the current carrying solenoid, definitely it will either attract or repel. So that way you can say that, and even you people know that when the current is flowing, through the conducting wire, the magnetic field is produced around it by the Oersted observation, right? So here the magnetic field is produced around the solenoid, but important and interesting point is that it shows same magnetic field characteristic as the bar magnet is showing. That means if you represent the magnetic field of this current carrying solenoid is same, yeah, identical as the magnetic field produced by this type of magnetic field is to be produced by a bar magnet, right? So this is what a bar magnet is showing, magnetic field. So same type of characteristic is also showing by this type of magnetic field is to be showing by the current carrying solenoid. That means by this property of current carrying solenoid, we people definitely can say that solenoid should behave like a magnet, right? So if solenoid is behaving like a magnet, definitely what we can say, it should have north pole and south pole, right? अगर current carrying solenoid magnet की तरह behave कर रहा है, तो as magnet have two poles, north pole and south pole, this coil या this solenoid ends should behave as north pole and south pole respectively. So idea about which one is showing north pole and south pole. So for that, you people can have one rule. If you take a cross section, that means suppose this is what a solenoid, and if you take pot, okay, you just face this way the solenoid, and if the current is flowing in this direction, clockwise direction, right, then this end of the solenoid will behave as which end? South pole, right? तो current की direction कैसे पता चलेगी? Obviously current direction can be find out with the help of the battery polarity. तो बैटरी पोलैरिटी से आपको पता चलेगा कि करंट इसमें से क्लॉकवाइज में जा रहा है या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में जा रहा है. सो इफ द करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, दैट एंड इज बिहेव एज व्हाट? नॉर्थ पोल. So here this is what the rule you people can understand, that suppose if you have the current is flowing in this way, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल, तो अगर इस तरह से मैंने एंड बताया है, and if the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, this way, current is flowing in this way, anti-clockwise direction, right? This is what anti-clockwise direction. ठीक है, तो अगर ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है तो डेफिनेटली व्हाट वी कैन से दिस एंड ऑफ मतलब नॉर्थ पोल हुआ और साउथ पोल में क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, तो साउथ पोल के लिए इस तरह से बताओ क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन। ठीक है, तो just by getting idea about the taking cross section of solenoid, if the current flowing, that current direction can be find out with the help of battery polarity, and if this end is showing the current in clockwise direction, this end will behave as the end which is facing towards you. If it shows clockwise direction, it gives you idea about the what south pole, and the definitely other end will behave as नॉर्थ पोल, राइट। तो क्लॉकवाइज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज से आप पता कर सकते हो कि विच एंड इज बिहेविंग नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल ऑफ ए सोलेनॉइड, राइट। नाउ इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इज वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इज दैट कि इनसाइड दैट इज हेलिकल कॉइल, ओके, इफ यू थिंक अबाउट द कॉइल, और कॉइल के अंदर के पार्ट में क्या होगा, द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी जनरेटेड, magnetic field is definitely produced due to the current is flowing through the entire solenoid, लेकिन अंदर की ओर जो होगा सोलेनॉइड के अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड यूनिफॉर्म होगा। वो कैसे पता चलता है यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? तो यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हमको इस तरह से पता चलता है कि इफ यू थिंक अबाउट द करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू सर्कुलर लूप, अगर आपको करंट के लिए अगर आपको देखना है एक सिंगल लूप ले लो आप इस तरह से, एंड इफ यू थिंक अबाउट दिस टू एंड आर कनेक्टेड विद अ बैटरी एंड अ की हियर, ओके, इफ द करंट इज फ्लोइंग, अभी करंट फ्लो कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली क्या होगा, थ्रू दिस इज व्हाट अ करंट कैरिंग लूप, मतलब इफ यू बैंड अ वायर, bending a wire from this type of loop, and if you find out the direction of the magnetic field produced around it, you can apply the right hand thumb rule apply करो। अगर करंट कौन से डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, ऊपर, कैसे, तो इधर कैसे जा रहा है, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में, तो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैसे होगा, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल प्रोड्यूस अराउंड इट विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन, ओके। कर्लिंग ऑफ द फिंगर्स, आई थिंक राइट हैंड थंब रूल आपको पता है, तो इससे पता चलता है। लेकिन जो बीच वाला जो पार्ट है, द मिडल पार्ट, दैट गिव्स यू आइडिया अबाउट द व्हाट वी कैन से स्ट्रेट लाइन, ओके। तो दैट टॉपिक आई थिंक गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक, एंड यू पीपल नो दैट द मिडल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन्स exactly from the center, the field lines is find out straight only. So if you think about this solenoid is number of loop, ऐसे you can think of number of loop, this is discontinuous loop in a solenoid, I am presenting this one by one loop adjacent with each other, okay। समझ लो कि ऐसे बहुत सारे लूप सोलेनॉइड में है, तो यहाँ पे जो मिडल पोर्शन होगा वहां पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैसे होगी, स्ट्रेट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस स्ट्रेट होगी, एंड स्ट्रेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इधर definitely depends on the direction, मैंने ऐसे ही randomly बता दिया कि the field lines are in this manner, okay। तो if the field lines are in this manner, that gives you, okay, parallel to each other, and parallel field lines is nothing but present uniform magnetic field. So uniform magnetic field is to be generated inside a solenoid. So this is what very interesting point in this topic, that uniform magnetic field is to be generated in a solenoid, right? Uniform magnetic field generate क्यों हो रहा है, because this solenoid is nothing but number of turns closely, या you can say circular turn के शेप में, सर्कुलर शेप के फॉर्म में आ जाएंगे, और हर सर्कुलर शेप के बीच में जो होगा यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगी, ओके, या स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी, दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन इज टू बी फाइंड आउट। तो बहुत सारे टर्म्स आप समझ सकते हो कि एक मतलब बहुत सारे रिंग ऐसे place very close to each other and form a solenoid, and that's why inside Okay, it shows uniform magnetic field. So this is an interesting topic in this chapter, very useful. Okay, so better you clear this concept, and I am hoping that you people have cleared the concept of uniform magnetic field, why uniform magnetic field is generated inside the solenoid. Thank you.